Well, I'll talk about my first experience here with my shoulder. And I had surgery back in July, and I came here in October when we came down here for the winter from North Dakota. And I hadn't gotten very good results with my physical therapy back in North Dakota. And so I came here and things certainly turned around. Well, I didn't have a lot of pain. I just had a lot of lack of movement or range of motion in my shoulder. And I wanted to get back to play tennis and golf. And I was able to do that by coming here. Yes, I mean, there was some hesitation at times that I would never get back to where I was previous to surgery. And even some of the therapists here were concerned that I wouldn't be able to get back there again. But after several weeks, we're pretty close to being back there. It's been 9 months post-surgery, and I feel where I am at right now is great. I'm not sure that I expected to ever get to this point. Well, you know, that was my main goal. I wanted to get back to my activities that I enjoy, and I was able to do that. And sure, there's some limitations yet, but it isn't severe, and I think as time goes on, with the treatment I got here, I think I'll be able to get back to what I want to do. Well, I had experienced about, I suppose, 6 or 8 weeks of physical therapy back in North Dakota. It was right after surgery, and they weren't as aggressive as we were here, and they probably could have been better at that, but we changed that around here, so that was great. Oh, absolutely, and I have already. I even have a chiropractor that got rear-ended and had neck problems. I mentioned this place to her. I don't know if she ever followed up or not, but yeah, she asked me about it. And some other people too, just in passing. Well, I mean, you know, I haven't experienced a lot of places, but experiencing this place, I would recommend it highly because the people here are very professional, very courteous, and I felt good about coming here. Yes, you did. Like, I'm back playing tennis and golf, and at a level that's pretty close to where I was before, so I feel good.